Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos in CapCut. So here I've already imported a photo and I'm going to add some filters. Okay, I'm going to add the cold ivory filter and then I'm going to go to adjust and I'm going to lower the brightness into -4. The contrast I'm going to add it into 10, no 7, I think it's enough. And the saturations I'm going to add it into 5, and I'm going to add the exposure into 6. And here you can also actually edit the gaps, but I'm going to just leave it as it is, and I'm going to adjust the highlight into -5. Oops. And I'm going to add some vignette effect like this. Click on a check icon and here copy the original photo. I'm going to copy it first, and next you can add an overlay. I'm going to add overlay of a photo of a beautiful sky like this, and I'm going to adjust the size, and then I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to choose split, and here I'm going to adjust it like this, and I'm going to drag it so that the sky will be blend. And here you can actually use splice to adjust it. You can go lighten, darken, or filter like this. And if it's not fit, you can also always adjust it into adjust the mask. I'm going to adjust it like this. Click on check icon, and then after that you can click on the original photo and made it as overlay. Click on overlay and drag it to the bottom, so this will be at the top of everything, and choose to remove a background. Okay, so here is the final result. Okay guys, so that is how you can edit your photos in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.